Hi everyone, my name is Miranda. Have you ever wanted to learn how to do those music mashups like Anna Kendrick does in Pitch Perfect? Well, then this is the tutorial for you. Today, I'm going to show you how I do music mashups using a program known as Audacity. Now, if you don't already have Audacity downloaded onto your computer, you simply have to go online, type in Audacity download, and download for the program that's suited to your computer style. There's a different one for Mac versus Windows. Now I have a Windows computer, so I have it pre-downloaded over here. It'll look like a headphone with squiggly blob in the middle. It's actually a sound wave. Now, when this loads, it's going to look extremely confusing, but that's okay. You can ignore everything up at the top right now, for the most part. Now, to get the music you want to use, most people use YouTube to MP3 or MP4 files, and that's what I've done today. So I have no rights to this music. I do not make a profit from this music, and all credit goes to the writers of Something There from the new Beauty and the Beast soundtrack, and Lin-Manuel Miranda for Satisfied on the Hamilton soundtrack. Now, in order to get my music up there, you have to go over to Import. Now, import is like inserting, but it's uploading a file, and you can do this with more than one file. So you click audio rather than raw data. Now, this is a list of my audio that's saved on here. However, since I downloaded the songs earlier today, they're going to be in my download section as I never changed them over. So this is downloading, and this is Satisfied from the Hamilton soundtrack. As you can see, the entire song is now preloaded. If I click over here at the beginning, and then click the green arrow at the top, you can hear the sound start to play. Now, don't I want to mix them up? The answer is yes. So what you do is you then go to File and Import again. You're going to go back to Audio, and you click your next song, this one happening to be Something There from Beauty and the Beast. Now this one is fully uploaded. Notice how this one is a lot shorter than the one above it. This means we're going to have to make some editing changes. And don't worry that they're on two separate tracks. That'll all go away when you save, because it all condenses it onto one. Now, if I play this from the beginning, or if I play this from here where there's words in Something There, this is what you'll get. Now, did you notice how we can't really hear the Beauty and the Beast? That's because Hamilton is such a loud soundtrack. Do you notice the size difference? We can fix that. So the first thing we want to do is we actually want to move all of this stuff. Well, we can leave that there for now. We're going to move this later. Sorry about the noise in the back. The dog is snoring and sleeping. He's having a nice little dream. So, we're going to make this a bit quieter. So you highlight. If I can highlight the whole thing. There we go. And go up to Effect. Now under Effect, you'll see a large list of possibilities. Typically, I use, well, it really depends on what I am wanting to do, but I normally use Amplify. Now, I know this makes it sound like you're trying to make it louder, but you can actually make it softer. So, now, do you notice how they're much more similar in size? Let's see what happens when we play it now. Do you notice how much better that sounds? They're much more equal now. So now that they are on equal sounds, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start cropping and cutting. Now, this can be a difficult process for someone who's never done it before, but I'm going to show you the easiest ways to crop and cut. So, say we want to cut this section. Say I don't want to listen to rewind. So I'm going to highlight that and right click See, right click doesn't work. This is key because if you start right clicking, left clicking, or clicking anything in the toolbar up here, you're going to end up with something irreversible that is extremely hard to come back from. So rather than right clicking and clicking cut, you simply go to edit and click cut. And now that part is gone. And if I want there to be a space there, I can actually add in space. Now, this is always a bit more tricky just because it's more of an advanced level. But you go over here and click silence. And so I want it to last in seconds. Say 14 seconds of silence from the Hamilton soundtrack. And click OK. So now, as you can see, I've inserted silence. So let's see what happens when we play these on top of each other. And see, now you only hear the Beauty and the Beast soundtrack. So, you can do this with the entire rest of the songs and come up with a final result that is a pure mixture of the two songs. And the most important tip that I almost left out of here, up here at the top. You have your green arrow for play, and you have your yellow square for stop. Never, and I repeat, never press the blue pause button. If you simply pause and then try to edit your work, absolutely nothing will go through. You must click stop. Thank you for watching this tutorial today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will see if I can help you out. Enjoy making music.